you've got something for me, something you call love, but confess you've been messing where you should have been messing, and now someone else is yelling your best. These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do. One of these days these boots are gonna walk all over you. You keep lying when you ought to be truthful, and you keep losing when you ought to look bad. You keep selling when you ought to be changing. Now that's right, but you ain't been right yet. These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do. One of these days these boots are gonna walk all over you. You keep playing where you shouldn't be playing, and you keep thinking that you'll never get burned. I just found me a brand new box of matches, and what he knows you ain't had time to learn. These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do. One of these days these boots are gonna walk all over you. I hear a train a-comin', it's rolling round the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck at Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on, but the train keeps rolling on down to San Antonio. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't you ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and cry. I bet there's rich folks eating in a fancy dining car, probably drinking coffee and smoking big cigars. But I know I had it coming, I know I can't be free. But those people keep moving, and that's the story just me. if they freed me from this prison, if that railroad train was mine, I bet I'd move on over a little further down the line. Oh, far from Folsom Prison, that's where I want to stay. And I'd let that lonesome whistle blow my blues